What is the best RC planes for kids? Here are my full reviews of the best RC planes for kids. So before starting this video, please like this video and subscribe to this channel for our future updates. Number 1. E-flite RC Airplane UMX Turbo Timber BNF Basic Transmitter Battery and Charger Not Included 700 EFLU 6950. The E-flite comes fully assembled. Therefore, if you have a transmitter and fully charged battery ready, you can fly this RC airplane straight out of the box. What makes this an especially good choice for teens is that it has an optional safe system. This allows teens new to the hobby to turn the system on and work up through the beginner, intermediate, and advanced modes. Then, if your teen becomes a confident flyer, the safe system can be turned off and the pilot can perform exciting acrobatics. In addition, the E-flite Turbo Timber has recently been updated with a more powerful motor allowing you to climb out vertically and hover. The landing gear is already in place and designed for multiple takeoffs and landings. In addition, the stall, shore takeoff, and landing system means you can fly with minimum runway space. For maximum realism, the E-flite comes with LED navigation, landing, and simulated strobe lights which are powered from the flight battery. Number 2. Top Race Remote Control Airplane RC Plane 3-channel battery powered ready to fly stunts. Great Easter gift toy for adults or kids. Easy to control. For younger budding pilots, the Top Race Trainer provides 3 channels of control. The 3 channels control the propeller, rudder, and elevator. Plus, there is a 6-axis gyro system that keeps the airplane stable, making it exceptionally easy to fly for young beginners. Also important for graduated learning are the 3-speed control settings. These prevent those who are new to flying an RC plane from going too fast, losing control, and crashing. Not only can a crash be dispiriting, it can also cause expensive damage to your airplane. But fear not. If you or your child do crash, Top Race has an extensive line of spare parts for repairs or upgrades. The spares are affordable and readily available, so you don't have to worry about trying to track down a rare, expensive item. Because the trainer is relatively compact and lightweight, it takes up minimal room at home and is easy to transport to your flying location. Number 3. HobbyZone Sport Cub S2 RC Airplane BNF Basic with safe transmitter, battery and charger not included. HBZ 44500. Blue and white. The Sports Cub from HobbyZone has beginner, intermediate, and experienced modes. This allows complete beginners to learn the ropes without becoming too overwhelmed by multiple controls. The beginner mode on the HobbyZone limits the plane's pitch and bank capabilities, minimizing the possibility of losing control. In addition, simply letting go of the control sticks will allow the airplane to return to level flight. This prevents discouraging crashes for newbies. Panic recovery mode allows you to press a single button and have the plane return to level flying at a pre-programmed altitude. This gives new flyers some breathing room if they go a little beyond their capabilities. You can launch this model by throwing it like a paper airplane, which is convenient if you do not have a suitable runway area for takeoff. The downside to this RC plane is that you have to buy the transmitter and battery separately, although that isn't a budget breaker. Purchasing each item separately costs no more than buying them all in one. It's just a few more steps you have to take. Many good quality RC companies sell their models, batteries, and radio units separately, so experienced flyers can buy the precise setup they want. Number 4. Hawkswork 2 CHRC Airplane RC Plane Ready to Fly 2.4 GHz Remote Control Airplane. Easy to fly RC glider for kids and beginners. Red, for the youngest would-be flyers. The Hawkswork 2-channel airplane is an affordable, simple option. 2 sticks on the remote allow you to control left and right and up and down, but there are no other functions to master. The simplicity of the plane makes it an excellent choice for younger children who are excited by RC planes but haven't yet developed the dexterity and coordination required for a more complicated model. It's also great if your little one is the kind of kid who is deeply passionate and focused about something 1 minute, only to lose interest 20 seconds after they try it. For those kids, this is just expensive and solid enough to work, but not so costly you waste a lot of money if it's not a hobby that sticks. The landing gear is rated as a single-use part, but we found it was solid and in workable condition after 12 takeoffs and landings. Number 5. E-flite RC Airplane T28 Trojan 1.1 BNF Basic Transmitter Battery and Charger Not Included with S3X in Safe Select E-flite 1250. We and our RC friends have always found E-flite to be a solid company for hobby-grade RC airplanes, so we were a little disappointed in their T28 model. Not because it isn't great, but because it didn't provide a fun experience for new flyers. To be fair, this model is not aimed at first-time or even newer pilots, but that information isn't immediately obvious. So even though it has safe technology with beginners, intermediate, and advanced settings, you'll want to give this a miss for younger first-timers. However, if you have a team who is patient or has some previous RC plane experience, this model is extremely fun to fly and reaches incredible speeds. Because the T28 Trojan can achieve faster speeds, It is relatively easy for a newbie to feel like they are losing control of the plane. This can cause a lot of frustration and put your budding flyer off of their new hobby.